Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back. I hope I will not disappear again because it was a very big workload at that moment, and I just had to decide what I need to do, or I need to do just YouTube vlogs and leave my clients alone, or I am going to help the clients to reach their goals and a little bit postpone the YouTube channel. But I hope this time I will manage the work schedule and somehow will be consistent with this. So today I wanted to start for myself to be very strict to the plan, to follow all the structure. It's not just a plan, it's a big structure, is to do the Body and Mind Masterclass for myself. Who don't know it, this is the biggest program of mine, which has a very big structure of everything, not just meal plans. It includes many things, workouts, meal plans, mindset, sessions of the emotional eating, sessions of the mindful eating, tasks, practices, and many stuff. So I want to do this by myself, and there is several reasons why I want to start it to myself. First of all, I will start from the meal plans. The meal plans are incredible because you can choose from a very big variety of recipes. You don't feel restrict to one or two meals. You can choose a lot of different type of breakfast, a lot of different type of lunch, dinners, snacks. So this is one of the things that I want to start with Body and Mind, because I feel that these meal plans are very easy to follow, because every day you wake up and you can just choose from 10, 15, 20 options of the breakfast. So it is awesome. And all of them matches together. So this is the one reason. The other reason is that Body and Mind Masterclass don't stick to 1 calories. We have the different stages of meal plans, different stages of calories. So this is really good for the metabolism. You don't stuck with your weight. You always keep going. So this is one of the things why I also want to do this program now for myself. And the third thing is that there is the festive menu for the different weekends. It is also a very unique thing. Festive menus, so it means that you can live your life, you can have holidays, you can have some kind of big occasions, and it's okay, it's fine, because you are secure with the special menu for yourself, and I will show this later in my vlogs. What does this mean? Fourth thing why I want to use especially Body and Mind is because the workouts. There is a very nice workout. My favorite one that I keep creating still and keep doing this. This is the best workouts for myself. I really love them. I live with them almost 6 years or 7. Before I was just a gym girl, but when the COVID comes, everybody stuck in their home. So I needed to have the escape plan for my body to keep it moving and everything. So I created a home workout, and it becomes a very special one. So I am still creating them. I'm very proud of them, and this is my second baby. And these workouts are in this program too. So I will follow them also. And I will do the biggest thing of the program is I will do the practices of the mindful eating, of the emotional eating. And this is something that I'm also very proud in this program. It's very unique tasks. You can recognize yourself. You can understand yourself much more. You can see how you can control yourself, and everybody can choose different solution for their case. So I'm really excited to start this part of program. So I don't know if you want that I will show you all the journey of mine. If you want, please comment below if you are interested to see in the next week how I'm going, and the second and the third. And I'm very happy to see that comments. So I will start today with my breakfast, and I will show how it looks in the app, that big variety of food. So let's go. So here is my app, and here I will show you how looks the meal plan that I have mentioned before. It is very, very wide range of options. And this is the Body and Mind Stage 1, 1250. Yes, it's very low calories, but it's just for the short time period. So today I will eat the fried eggs with sausage, and I will explain why I choose this, because on the weekend I found a very great quality sausages of chicken. They have a very clean nutrition label, so I really want to eat that sausages like when I was a kid. It was one of my favorite food is to eat sausage omelette. I'm very happy that I found them. So I just use the sausages, and you can see there is the in menu, the sausage recipe. That's why I love this Body and Mind meal plans, because the variety is insane. You can choose from many options, and you don't need to be strict just to a very few choices. So I really love this. So let's see what are the other options for the breakfast and what I would choose next time. So we have the croissant with mozzarella. Also we have the energy cocktail, coffee omelette with tuna, omelette with champions and zucchini, omelette with ricotta and parmesan, again omelette, strawberry asparagus cocktail, again omelette with grilled vegetables, scrambled eggs, a lot of eggs, omelette filled with spinach and champions. This is the breakfast of this low calorie, and you can see there is a lot of egg recipes, and there is some few cocktails. And if you don't want to eat eggs, there is a small croissant with mozzarella. And here I choose the sweet potato with ricotta. Very, very happy of this recipe. Also, there is also big variety bowl with tuna and lentils, baked mushrooms. If don't want to eat the meat or fish, you can have different recipe that not included any meat or fish. Cod with chickpeas, baked zucchini with quinoa, also no meat fish, because sometimes I really don't want to eat no meat, no fish. It's like sometimes it happens. Then salmon, tuna with basmati and avocado, and also eggs. If I don't choose eggs in the breakfast, I want to eat eggs on the lunch. Chicken with basmati rice, fried bell pepper with mix, then pesto chicken with potatoes, savor cottage cheese with pie. This is the old one recipe from our parents. And here I have the dinner, burrata salad with turkey ham for today. But there is also some other options like apple cottage cheese pie, Asian salad with beef, banana, peanuts, cocktails, summer rolls, Caesar salad with shrimps, chicken salad with beans, cottage cheese wrap with apple, curd pie. So many different options to eat. Like you can see, so many. Wow. And here are my snack, berries. Here in Spain there is a very, very delicious berries. So I absolutely choose the strawberries and blueberries, but also there is some other choices you can choose from. And coconut milk latte. I don't want latte from the coffee. I always drink here matcha coconut latte, so the calories is the same. And that's it. And here you can see a lot of proteins. It's enough for women because we don't want to be too musculous. We don't want to be skinny fat. So this is the best macro for a very tight body but not too many muscles. Fats, very good type of fats, and carbs. So here it is. We can have the shopping list also. Yay! And here in the meal we can have also the products. First of all, I am preparing my snack of the day because I recognize myself that I always craving of berries. So first things first, everything needs to be measured, and that time when I feel weak and I want something grab or something, I know that that box there is my secret cravings, and I can just easily take out from there and just eat and nothing happens. So this is my berries, 350 grams, and I just put some strawberries also. So this is my obsession. In Spain we have very delicious berries, and I absolutely choose to eat berries as a snack, and you see how big jar of them it is. And here is that sausages that I mentioned before. It is very clean ingredients, just meat, aqua, tapioca, and that's all. And salt, of course, salt. So for my breakfast, I use just one sausage. I make it in small pieces, cook in the pan with no oil or one spray of oil, olive oil, and then 2 eggs. And that's it. And also my favorite bread from Mercadona, one slice of bread. So I will cook and show how it goes. So this is how it looks when cooking the sausages with eggs. I am ready, almost. Just need a little bit of ketchup, like when I was a kid. But I will just put in one side a little bit, like this. So, bon appetit for me. I'm ready to eat my delicious breakfast, and I just want to jump here and say again how I am happy that I continue my YouTube vlogs, because it was something that I really enjoy to do, and I really want to share with you all the journey I will have in my body and mind masterclass structure. And I really want to have the feedback of yours, how you feel. Do you want to see that journey? It will be not so short as it was in summer program. It will be the long journey, because body and mind is not something about the quick progress, short period of time dieting or something. It is the lifestyle structure, lifestyle system, and it needs time. It needs month, 2 or 3, maybe 4, depends on your body. So let's eat with me. And it is very, very delicious. I'm from Lithuania. So in Lithuania, when I was a kid, the sausages were, or still is, very popular. But here in Spain, I didn't find good ones, because every sausages are with many artificial flavors, many additional chemical ingredients, and all the other not good stuff. So I really like that I found this one. That is very, very good. This week will be very easy for me. Finally home after the workout, and I'm very hungry. I'm really happy that I have this my hunger saver, because now I can just crave the berries that I already prepared before. And it doesn't mean that I will eat the whole jar of it, but I will take some while the meal is baking, cooking in the oven. Now I am preparing the sauce for the lunch. It is just only ricotta with salt and pepper. And here in Spain we have a very good ricotta that is just 4.5 of fats. I will show you my ricotta. This one is very good. There is a 10 grams of protein per 100 grams of ricotta and just 4.5 of fat. So this one is very good and the best solution for our lunch. Our lunch is ready, I think. Yes, I think it's almost ready. Very, very healthy food and super delicious. This is my size and this is Ervina's size. Our lunch is ready. See how beautiful and healthy it is. Eating healthy is not boring. It's super delicious and don't take much time. So it is evening now and I'm getting ready to make the dinner for me and Ervinas. It will be the lean burrata salads that I show you in my app. I will show you once again what is inside and what products special I use here in Spain to make this burrata salad. So let's go to my kitchen. I'm half prepared the salad. I always use the burrata this one because it has only 16 grams of fat in 100 per product. So it's very good. But in this recipe I need just, let me show you, I need just half of it. And also I have put inside the pear, half of the pear. Here is my smoked turkey fillet. Instead of pomegranate seeds, because I don't have now them, I will put the dried cranberries and the burrata, so it will be very yummy. Now I will prepare the rest of the salad with you together. The salads I love very much, it's very delicious. So let's make together. I will put the meat inside the salads. One over here and one over there. Okay. Now I will put the cranberries. Now burrata. Yes, like this. Now balsamic sauce. Also don't have today balsamic, so I made the soy sauce with a little bit of honey and mustard, but not with the fat like olive oils, because balsamic vinegar is not the fat source, so it is the carb source, so I need to change it to the same macros. And here is the result. Very yummy salads. I'm ready to eat my delicious salads, and after that we will go with a little daughter to the workouts. She will have the air yoga, but I will have the high heels dance lesson. I really enjoy it lately.
Neskubam. 2, 3. Pilnai ištiesiam. Tiesiam rankas ir kojas. 1. Lenkiam žemyn. Vėl tiesiam. 2. Atsispaudimas. Keliam priešai save. 1. Vėl atsispaudimas. Keliam priešai save. 2. Sukamės. 3. Sukamės. 4. Keliam iš alkūnių. Ištiesiam. Nuleidžiam. 1. 2. 16.
Mano pats didžiausias pasiektas tikslas tai yra tas susivaldymas visiškas, bet ne per tą, žinai, prievartą tokią, kad viskas negali, bet tiesiog aš pamačiau, aš supratau ir aš išmokau, kad aš visiškai ramiai galiu praeiti ir pro saldumynus, ir parduotuvę apsipirkinėti. Ir šeimai kažką skanaus nupirkti parneštų, nes jie tai valgo kaip valgė, nes ten tų problemų tokių tikrai neturi kaip aš. Bet tiesiog man tokia ramybė atėjo.